Everyone's talking about hybrid cars. The ads are everywhere. The deals are tempting. They're pitched as the golden solution for 2025. But is that the full story? Some hybrid models are truly fuel efficient, durable, and hold their value well, giving you peace of mind on every drive. Others, though, just wear a green label, but leave owners frustrated with high fuel consumption, complex systems, and poor resale value. In this video, we're stripping away the shiny marketing. We'll highlight the 8 best hybrid cars to buy in 2025 and 5 hybrid models to avoid buying. Smart choices that save you money, drive smoothly, and won't leave you with regrets. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. The 8 best hybrids to buy. Smart choices. 1. Toyota Yaris Hybrid. If you're looking for a hybrid that's truly worth your money, the Yaris is hard to beat. It's not about flashy ads. It's a proven hybrid technology refined over generations. In the city, the Yaris can run on electric mode up to 70% of the time. No plugging in, no worrying about charging stations or cables. Fuel efficiency. Owners say they fill up once and drive for a month. Real-world tests show up to 25 kilometers per liter if you drive gently. The switch between gas and electric is seamless, making every trip quiet and efficient. Most importantly, the Yaris holds its value incredibly well. Owners know the Toyota reliability slogan isn't just talk. If you want a simple, no-nonsense hybrid that serves you smartly every day, the Yaris is your answer. Suzuki Swift Hybrid. If the Yaris is the city queen, the Swift is like a trusty, low-key friend you can always count on. Its biggest strength? Weight. At under a ton, it's much lighter than most hybrids, which often feel heavy and sluggish. The Swift takes a different approach, compact, nimble, and clever. It doesn't boast about running fully electric, but its 12V assist motor kicks in just when needed. This makes acceleration smooth, cuts fuel use, and ensures near-bulletproof reliability. Owners report their Swifts hitting 200,000 kilometers with just routine maintenance, new tires, and brake pads. No major surprises. In the city, it gets 20 to 22 km per liter. On highways, it stays steady without guzzling gas like some SUVs. Simple, durable, and efficient. The Swift Hybrid is perfect for anyone wanting a compact, low-cost, yet fun-to-drive car for daily use. 3. Honda Jazz EHEV. This is a car many overlook in catalogs, but once they drive it, they realize they've found a smart companion. The Jazz EHEV doesn't chase flashy trends. It focuses on real-world performance, smooth, efficient, and easy to live with. Unlike most hybrids, Honda's system is unique. The gas engine mainly generates power, while the electric motor does most of the driving. This delivers a smooth, quiet ride with no awkward transitions between gas and electric. Owners say, just fill up and drive. The Jazz handles the rest, from charging its battery to optimizing fuel use. In city driving, its efficiency is impressive and you never need to plug it in. That's why many owners see the Jazz as a long-term solution. A reliable, no-fuss hybrid that's smart and durable. If you need a car that serves you daily without hassle, the Honda Jazz EHEV is a convincing choice. 4. Kia Niro Hybrid, not the PHEV. While many hybrid SUVs make big promises, the Niro delivers what drivers actually need: space, efficiency, and no daily charging hassle. This is a full hybrid, meaning it seamlessly balances gas and electric power. You just drive normally. In the city, it easily hits 22 km per liter without trying too hard. On highways, it stays efficient, unlike some SUVs that burn through fuel. Inside, there's room for the whole family, with a trunk big enough for long trips. The ride is smooth and comfortable. A big plus, Kia's 7-year warranty gives long-term peace of mind. Real-world data shows early Niro models staying reliable after hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Used car buyers love it for its high resale value and minimal issues. With the Niro Hybrid, you get a family-friendly, cost-saving, dependable car. A true smart choice for 2025. 5. Toyota C-HR Hybrid. Hybrids used to mean practical, efficient, but a bit boring. The C-HR changes that. It's stylish, durable, and highly efficient. Its sharp design and bold lines make it a car you want to admire and drive. Beneath the eye-catching look is Toyota's refined hybrid system, borrowed from the Corolla. It delivers up to 20 km per liter while keeping the drive smooth and responsive in both city and highway conditions. Young drivers say the C-HR isn't just fuel efficient, it's fun to drive. Families often argue over who gets the keys. With Toyota's legendary reliability and strong resale value, the C-HR wins hearts with its style and minds with its cost-effectiveness and long-term dependability. 6. Lexus UX 250R. While the C-HR blends efficiency with personality, the Lexus UX 250R offers a different vibe. Quiet luxury in every detail. Step inside, and it feels like a mobile living room. Smooth, quiet, and with premium materials. Under the hood, a refined 2.0L full hybrid system delivers a silky ride and an impressive 22 km per liter in the city, rivaling smaller cars. The biggest perk? No charging needed. The UX 250R optimizes itself for efficiency and comfort without changing your driving habits. Plus, Lexus offers a 10-year warranty with official servicing, giving you priceless peace of mind. This isn't for show-offs. It's for those who want a luxurious, refined, budget-friendly hybrid that makes driving a joy, not a chore. A safe and smart choice. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. 7. Honda Civic EV. This car proves hybrids aren't just for short city trips. They can be convincing long-distance warriors too. The Civic eHEV uses Honda's smart dual hybrid system. The electric motor drives most of the time, with the gas engine kicking in only when needed. The result? A smooth, quiet ride in the city and steady performance on highways. Former diesel drivers worried they'd miss the torque, but many say they'd never go back after driving the Civic. Real-world fuel efficiency is impressive, even in mixed conditions. Best of all, no plugging in or habit changes are required. The Civic adapts to you, not the other way around. It's the ideal hybrid for those wanting balance, efficiency, comfort, and driving fun, all in a sleek, reliable package. 8. Toyota Corolla Hybrid. The Corolla is a symbol of durability. In its hybrid era, it upholds that reputation. It doesn't rely on gimmicks. It wins with consistency and reliability in every detail. Toyota's latest hybrid system delivers outstanding efficiency, easily hitting 20 to 22 km per liter in mixed driving. The ride? Smooth and effortless, perfect for busy city streets or long highway trips. The cabin is spacious, simple, yet comfortable, designed to serve you, not show off. What makes the Corolla Hybrid special is its long-term value, low running costs, minimal issues, and excellent resale value. For those seeking a practical, economical hybrid to last a decade without worry, the Corolla Hybrid is a safe, smart choice with few rivals. 5 hybrids to avoid traps. Chepfun Jeep Compass Works. It sounds appealing. A stylish SUV with a turbo engine, all-wheel drive, and a plug-in hybrid label. But real-world use reveals the truth. Its biggest flaw? Dependence on daily charging. Without it, the Compass 4X becomes a heavy SUV, guzzling fuel like a V6, around 9 to 10 liters per 100 kilometers, or especially on highways. Worse, the software often glitches, causing headaches even in new cars. Owners feel trapped after buying, as resale is tough. Used buyers steer clear of its issues. Take this story. A guy in Milan commuting 80-kilometer daily spent more on fuel than with his old diesel. Unless you charge daily, the Compass 4X isn't a money saver. It's a costly trap that's hard to escape. See, Fiat Panda Hybrid. It sounds like a smart choice, affordable, compact, and labeled hybrid. But in reality, the Panda Hybrid often disappoints. Its mild hybrid system uses a tiny battery, offering no real electric experience. You won't get smooth electric starts or a full EV mode. Instead, you're stuck with a noisy, underpowered 1.0-liter three-cylinder engine that lacks punch. The added battery weight makes it feel heavier and slower than the standard gas version. Fuel savings? In the city, it's barely better than a regular Panda. On highways, it's worse, as the small engine struggles. Resale is tough too. Buyers avoid it, knowing it's not a true hybrid, just a gas car with a green badge. The Panda Hybrid saves you money on paper, but in real life, it's a weak trade-off for both experience and cost. 3. Renault Captur E-Tech PF. At first glance, the Captur E-Tech PHEV seems clever. Sleek design, modern tech, electric mode for city driving, and a gas engine for longer trips. But after a few months, owners find it falls short of expectations. With a full battery, it's smooth and efficient. But when the battery's drained, it becomes sluggish and loses its nimble feel. The transmission can jerk during mode switches, making city driving frustrating. Fuel consumption is another issue. Without regular charging, it uses 6 to 7 liters per 100 kilometers, similar to a heavy gas SUV. Many owners admit they avoid short trips because they're too complicated. Resale? Tough, as others are also trying to escape this car. The Captur E-Tech PHEV promises simplicity and efficiency, but it's more complex and less convincing than you'd hope. 4. Ford Kuga PHEV. At first, the Kuga PHEV charms with its smooth ride, spacious interior, and decent fuel economy when the battery's charged. But over time, small issues pile up. The infotainment screen freezes, driver assist systems randomly shut off, and the AC makes odd noises. These seem minor but get annoying fast. Worse, multiple recalls, especially warnings about overheating high-voltage batteries, erode trust. Without a charged battery, the Kuga's biggest flaw shines. Its heavy weight turns it into a gas-guzzling SUV, hitting over 7 liters per 100 kilometers on highways. In the city, it's far less efficient than advertised. Owners compare it to a movie with a great trailer but a disappointing plot. It seems like advanced hybrid tech at first, but ends up feeling unfinished and frustrating. 5. Hyundai Tucson PHEV. On paper, the Tucson PHEV looks perfect. 265 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and over 60 km of electric range. It's a dream for a family SUV. But reality brings limits. At over 1.9 tons, it feels heavy, making acceleration and overtaking less smooth than expected. Without regular charging, it's a gas hog, hitting 9 to 10 liters per 100 kilometers, sometimes worse than an old diesel. In the city with a charged battery, it's smooth, but on highways or long drives, the gas engine struggles under the weight. At over 45,000 euros, owners question its value. Is a premium hybrid worth it when it only shines in ideal conditions? The Tucson PHEV is two-faced. Great when everything's perfect, but otherwise an expensive, fuel-hungry SUV. Choosing a hybrid isn't just about following trends or deals. It has to fit your habits and needs. Models like the Toyota Yaris, Honda Civic, or Kia Niro prove hybrids can be durable, efficient, and hold value well. But pick wrong, like the Jeep Compass or Tucson PHEV, and you'll face hefty fuel bills and headaches. The lesson? Choose carefully. Pick a smart hybrid for long-term peace of mind. If the video is good, hit like. If not, hit subscribe.